Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic with Maths. Today we are going to learn integers exercise 1.2. The introduction for exercise 1.2 I've given in the previous video. Please check that video. Today we are going to do the first in exercise 2 the first sum. We have to find the product for given sum. They have given 10 sums. Let's do it one by one. The first sum is 3 into minus 1. What we have to do? First multiply the numbers. 3 into 1 is 3. And here it is a positive. The positive negative is, I told you before video, the positive and negative is always negative. And the second sum is minus 1 into 225. 1 into 225 is 225. And the negative into positive. If it is positive into negative or negative into positive, it is always negative. And the third sum, minus 21 into 30. Here what they given? Minus and positive. We know that negative into positive is always negative. 21 into 30 is 21 is 30 is 630. The value is 630. I think everyone know how to do the multiplication. 21 into 30. 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0. Here it is cross. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. What we get? 0. 0 plus 3 is 3 and the remaining is 630. It is 630. And the fourth sum. Fourth sum is minus 316 into minus 1. Here which signs are there? Both are negative. When the both negatives are multiplicate, both are negative. When negative and negative multiplied, we get positive. 316 into 1, 316. Same number. Next, fifth one. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. I told you in properties, when you multiply any number with 0, we always get a 0. The sixth sum, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Let's make it two parts. First, 12 into 11. Tell me 12 11s are 132. And the negative into negative is positive. Then the remaining part is into 10. Positive into positive is positive. 132 into 10 is 1320. That is the sixth sum. And the seventh sum is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Again, make it two parts. What is the positive into negative? Negative. 3 nines are 27. The next part is minus 6. And the negative into negative is always positive. The value of 27, 27 into 6. What we get? 162. And the eighth sum. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Let's make it two parts. Let's see. 18 into 5, which is 90. Minus into minus is positive into minus 4 into minus 4. Positive into negative is negative. It is 360. And the ninth sum is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Let's make it 2 halves. Minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, and the 1 into 2 is 2. Negative into positive is negative, and the 3 fours are 12. So it is a positive and negative number. We get negative 12 twos are 24. The tenth sum. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Again it is 4. We'll make it into two parts. 3 6 are 18. Minus into minus plus. 2 ones are 2. Minus into minus plus. Both are positive means always positive. 2 18s are 36. I hope you understand the. Let's move to the second sum. And second sum is verify. We have to verify whether it is correct or wrong. And the first question is 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. I hope you have seen my previous video. It is looking like distributive property, like A into B plus C equals to E into B plus A into C. Let's make it two halves. First, verify this and again this. First, 18 into 7 plus minus 3. First, we have to remove the brackets. 18 into plus into minus, always minus. 18 into what is 7 minus 3? Which is 4. The value of 18 into 4 is 72. And the next part, 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. First remove the brackets. 18 into 7 is 126 plus 18 into 3 is 54. But it is positive and negative. It is always negative. It is a 4. So 126 plus into minus, minus 126 minus 54. It is 7, which is 72. Both answers are correct. So it is correct, true. And the second sum. To the second sum in the second Roman. Minus 21 into minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is the first part. The second part is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So let's simplify the first part. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, right? First minus 21 as it is. Let's remove the brackets. Minus 4 plus into minus, always minus. So minus 21 into 4 plus 6, 10, and the negative. Minus into minus plus 21 into 10. So 21 into 10 is 210. Let's do the second part. Minus 21 into minus 4. This is the one bracket. And the second one, minus 21 into minus 6. First remove the brackets. Minus into minus plus, which is plus. 21 into 4 is 84. We get the one, we remove the one bracket. And minus into minus is again plus. 21 into 6 is 126. So both are positive, so we get the positive sign. So 126 plus 84. What we get? 210. So both answers are correct. Let's see. Let's see the third. Let's see the third sum. What they given for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equals to? They're asking for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? Okay, we know negative into positive is always negative. If negative into positive is always negative. So 1 into a is a. 1 into a is a, which is a minus a. What is minus a? This is the answer for third one. Let's see. It is the third sum first question, and the second question is determine what they given. Determine the integer whose product, they said product, with minus 1. They have given a three questions. We have to product with it. Minus 21 product with minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 22 into 1 is 22. And the second one is 37. We have to product with minus 1. Plus into minus, always minus. 37 into 1, 37. And the third is 0, which is 0 into minus 1. When we multiply any number with 0, what we get? Always 0. In fourth question, what they have given starting from minus 1 into 5. We have to start from minus 1 into 5, write various product showing some pattern to show minus 1. We have to reach here from starting from here. So minus 1 into 5 is negative into positive is always negative. 1 into 5 is 5. The next we have to go in a descending order. Minus 1 into 4. So minus into plus minus 1 into 4 is 4. Next, minus 1 into 3. It is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2. It is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1. But here they given minus 1 and minus 1. Both are negative. So we have to reach till negative 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 0. Which is always 0. Minus 1 into minus 1. Negative into negative is positive. 1 into 1 is 1. This is the pattern. I hope you all understood the exercise 1.2. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel Magic with Maths. Thank you.